Alright guys, I think I found the best AI tool to generate videos from your text. The tool is totally free, they don't even have a payment option. It's fast, it's faster than all the tools available on the market. And it's the only tool that can actually generate movie stars from your prompt. So usually you would have to upload an image of a movie star to give it an idea of what you want. But this one you can just write the name of the movie character and it's gonna generate this in your video. So let's just jump into this tool and have some fun to create some crazy scenes. Now to use this tool we need to go to the website, which is hailuoa.com. I hope I pronounced it right. It's actually called Minimax, and in Minimax we can generate videos. Now you can see this website is in Chinese, so let's just quickly translate this to, let's do English here. What we need to do is we need to go to this section here because here we can create videos. Let's click on that one. Let's just press sure and agree to these terms. Alright, so the only thing we actually have to do here is we need to enter a prompt. So we just need to enter text, and from that text it's gonna generate this video. You have some example here. Here you can see example videos, but we're gonna create our own, of course. So what I have is I have some text here that I'm just gonna copy paste and put it here. And let's do it now. I'm gonna add Al Pacino eating sushi in the movie Scarface. And let's just generate this. So I made a couple more prompts because I want to really try out different scenes and different styles. So the next one that I have is I have this one, and that is Will Smith walking through Miami in Disney Pixar animation style. And let's see how this will be as a Disney Pixar animation movie. The next one that I have is Leonardo DiCaprio eating spaghetti. That's what we're gonna generate also. I also have this one, Dwayne Johnson lifting weights at the gym with Arnold Schwarzenegger. So let's see if this can create these kind of crazy scenes. The next one that I have is Johnny Depp as Pirate of the Caribbean in Disney Pixar animation style. Alright, the next one is pretty funny, and that will be Tom Hanks and Keanu Reeves holding lightsabers and getting ready to fight. I tried using the word Star Wars. You can't use words like Star Wars. You can use the name of the actors, but when you try to use names of movies or series, it's gonna say no, it's not possible. So keep that in mind. After this we will look at all the videos and we will see what it created from these crazy prompts. Alright, so this is Al Pacino eating sushi. Man, that looks really like Al Pacino. His eyes look a bit tired, but it's amazing how great this looks. The sushi looks also real, and he is also eating the sushi as we put in the prompt. So this one is amazing. Let's look at the next one. Will Smith as a Disney Pixar character, and this one is really nice also. Look how great that looks. That looks exactly like Will Smith in a Pixar movie. So let's look at the next one. Amazing. Look at Leonardo DiCaprio. It looks exactly like him, and while he's eating the spaghetti, just as we put in the prompt. So the characters are really nice in this tool. This looks amazing, although I wished Schwarzenegger was a bit younger in this one, so I definitely have to adjust the prompt, and there's a little bit of weird stuff going on, like that barbell is going through his legs or something. Now we have Johnny Depp as a Disney Pixar movie character. I like the Will Smith one better, but this one is not bad. It really takes your prompt into a Disney movie, so that's pretty cool. Let's look at the next one. This is Keanu Reeves and Tom Hanks holding lightsabers, and that's pretty cool. You can see the lightsaber is kind of moving from one hand to another at Keanu Reeves, but other than that, this looks pretty cool. So those are the results, and let me know in the comments which one you think is the best one of these, and try out this tool yourself to make some funny videos. Do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so we can keep on making these videos. If you want to see more AI tools, make sure to check out one of these videos, and until then, catch you on the next video.